bodily sound.
You're stealing, right to jail. You're playing music too loud, right to jail, right away. You're driving too fast, jail. Slow, jail. You're charging too high prices for sweaters, glasses, you right to jail. You undercook fish, believe it or not, jail. You overcook chicken, also jail. Undercook, overcook.
Come on, Barb. Come on, Barbie. Come on. Good girl. You're so smart.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Boop. Thank you. Hello, sir. I just need a favor, real quick. Boop. Thank you. Hello, yes, sir. Boop. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Sir, do you have a moment for a few words? Boop.
Eyes, oh my god. My new frog just came. I love her so much. She's so tiny. I called her Beatrice, and she is my new pride and joy. So small and happy. Look at her little legs go, so sassy.
You gonna give it a try? Really? There's nothing on that. You don't have to cry about it. Jeez Louise, is it that bad? You're such a brat.